Welcome again to the New Jersey School of Woodwork. As you can see over my shoulder, there's quite a lineup of Sjobergs benches here in the New Jersey School of Woodwork. We are a big fan of the Sjobergs bench and also happen to be a distributor. The reason we have these here is I wanted every student to have the experience of working behind a professional cabinet maker's bench. The bench is full of these holes, and they're all bench dog holes, which allow you to clamp things in all different kinds of positions with bench dogs. And it acts as if someone here is holding a project for you, so you can continue to work with no trouble, do what you got to do, and finish your project. So come on down and join us, maybe even for a veneer class. Happy New Year.